Hello, everyone. So, recently, I came across a bunch of TikTok videos talking about this sketchy-looking website called Cloudtroid. It instantly grabbed my attention because of the wild claims it was making. According to the site, you can enter someone's phone number and see their iCloud photos from the last 30 days, track their live location, and even read their iMessages. Sounds pretty insane, right? And all it takes is a phone number and a quick device verification. Honestly, it sounded way too good and way too sketchy to be true, so I decided to check it out for myself. I entered a random phone number, selected the iMessage option, and watched the screen as it supposedly started scanning. After a few seconds, it showed a list of results. Hundreds of photos, videos, and messages supposedly pulled from the person's iCloud account. But before I could access any of it, the site asked me to complete a CAPTCHA. No big deal, right? Except this CAPTCHA wasn't normal. It redirected me to a bunch of weird surveys and offers. Stuff like, complete this to win a PlayStation 5, or claim your free gift card. I went through a couple just to see what would happen, and nothing. No messages, no photos, just more shady tasks. At that point, it was pretty clear. Cloudtroid is a scam. It tricks you into thinking you're about to access private info, but instead, it just sends you in circles through ads and fake surveys. That's how they make money, every time you click or fill something out. And let's be real here. There's no way a random third-party website can access iMessages or iCloud data. Apple's privacy and security are top-notch, and even they can't do that without serious legal action. So yeah, don't fall for it. Cloudtroid is just another fake site trying to profit off your curiosity. Stay safe out there, and don't believe everything you see on TikTok.